Happy holidays, everybody. Old Paw here. Check me out. Now, this is going to be a 3-ingredient biscuit too, but it's a little bit different twist on it. Put 2 scoops of flour. 2 scoops of flour like that. Right there. Self-rising flour too. Alright, where's that ancient Chinese spoon? Alright, it's gonna be a double one here, y'all. We got sour cream instead of that old grease. Just like you would make. See that? Instead of using lard, you use sour cream. That'll save you a few dollars. Alright, go ahead and cut that in. This is going to be like the old buttermilk biscuits with sour cream instead. It's going to be cheaper, I think. Cheaper than buying real cream and flour. Alright. That looks like that's pretty good there. That's all nice and mixed in. Now we're going to add the other final ingredient. Sprite. Yes, sir. All you do is just treat your Sprite like you did your buttermilk. Just add a little bit in and make you a dough. Keep going up underneath it till you get a dough. Don't mash it together. Just keep a tickling it with a little liquid. Yes, he is putting Sprite in that. So we got self-rising flour. The flour gonna do all the rising. That's just about damp enough, ain't it? Get my hands all pretty so we can get this dough out. Yeah. Look at that. That's damn near there. That's down near. Let's turn it out. See what we get. Might be a hair dryer. The first time I ever made it. Been looking at recipes, and I thought to myself, well, wow, them other biscuits was easy enough, but they're costly. See, this doesn't cost that much. Sour cream, big old thing of sour cream like that, maybe about $1 or $2. See, I didn't use that much of it. Would it hold together though? That's the problem. Got people to swear to buy them. So we're going to try them. We're going to try them. Come on, Paw. Get them biscuits right. What does that look like? Almost, not quite. These specialty biscuits, I seen these women on YouTube, they be beating that dough up. Come on. Come on. I declare I'm going to have to call that, what I'm going to have to call that is call that good. You got all day to cook biscuits. I got shit I got to do. Ain't heard my old Steve lawnmower guy in a long time. Alright, let's keep them coming now, Paw. 7-Up biscuits, that's what the people call them, but I didn't have no 7-Up, so I said, shit. Let's make them anyway. Sprite will work. Oh boy, we're busy little beavers today. Check this out. I'm out of my oven, Roux. So I'm gonna put some flour in this here oven Roux container. And I tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna take that same skillet I cooked them biscuits in. Once I get the biscuits out, I'm gonna set them on a platter. I'm gonna dump this flour in that skillet. And I'm gonna stick it back in the oven and let it do its thing for about 30 minutes. Start smelling it, I'm gonna go stir it. That's what I'm gonna do. Alright, so here's the biscuits. I moved them out of the pan. The flour back in the hot frying pan. And I got it set on 350. And we're gonna let it kick and let it cook. Start smelling it, I'll start stirring it. Well, sir, they got a pretty nice taste to them. They're a little bit chewy. Mighty tasty though. That's the first time I ever cooked them. I was a little bit rough on that dough. We'll get her figured out. But yeah, that'll work. Later, gators. So, been an hour or two. There's your roux. Roux on 350. Now the last thing you do before you burn your ass up is you want to sift it. Get your little bit out of the pan. Put it in here like this. See? And that flour is hot, hot, hot. You don't want to get that shit on you. And once you got it all nice and sifted, all the lumps out of it, stick it back in the jar. It only takes a tablespoon or two. I only make enough for 1 or 2 people. I don't make a lot of a big mess of gumbo. You don't need to. So, my good, look how toasty and nice that is. We got more roux. Instant roux. Yes, sir. How do you like me now?